To download Composer, all you need to do is to get to Google, type in Composer PHP, and click on the first result, which is composer.org, and then click Download. Then you need to download the Composer Setup exe and click on it, and it's going to start downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to open it immediately and see the window. As you can see here, you will be presented with a window to install the Composer. Click Next, then choose the location you want to store Composer. And then click Next, and finally leave this blank and click Next again, and finally click on Install, and it's gonna start installing. And finally, it's gonna tell you that it has started installed successfully. Click Finish, and you are good to go.